Hello, my name is Chali. I am a student at lawm Secondary School. I'm 11 years old. I'm chopping banana tree for feed my chicken. I have about 13 chicken. There I have my mom cook breakfast for the whole family. I always help my mom clean the dishes every day.
What time do you get up?
I get up at about 5 o'clock. I cook breakfast for the whole family.
And then, what time do you go to school?
I go to school at about 7:30.
How do you get there?
I get there by bicycle. There are 36 students in my classroom.
After school, what do you do?
After school, I go home. After lunch, I go to school again. After school, I go home again. And I go to feed my chicken. I go to study English.
What's the name of the English center?
My English center is Ifui. There are 7 people in my family. My grandparents, my parents, my younger brothers, my younger sister, and me.
How old?
My younger brothers is 4 years old, and my younger sister is 6 years old.
What's your sister name?
My sister name is Molly.
And what about your brother?
My brother name is Goshen.
Okay. So, what is your mom's job?
My mother stay at home and take care of my younger brother every day. I have many chickens. I go to feed the chickens every day. Thank you for you supporting my English. I hope to see you in Luang Prabang. Thank you.
Nhưng không nói có what chị sư?
Nó.
Thế con cho từ nhỏ.
Chứ không nên nó.
Thế có bố mua cái mua bùa. Có tụi mẹ cái từ từ. Đây cái chắc ha.
Chú tặng. Chú tặng nó.
Ok. Hay thì u chân đó, đông xe tao báo nè. Đông xe tao báo nè. Bye bye. Chắc thế nè. Chắc thế là nó sao chắc thế được tí. Cho thế mà. Ok, very good.